Why is the union trying to get into JPMorgan Chase? Now, I would not have believed it unless I read it myself, but yes, there's a union called JPMC Workers Alliance that is trying to unionize the 300,000 employees at the big bank. Now, I gotta say, I see no benefit at all for the employees and instead see it as more of a fee generator for the unions to collect union dues. It is doubtful this will go anywhere, since employees overall are very happy at the bank and view it as a great place to work with good work-life balance and opportunities for advancement. The union's big gripe is in January, all employees were required to go back to the office 5 days a week. The United States finance industry has the least amount of unions of any private industry. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, unions in the financial industry for the US is less than 1% at 0.8%. There are currently about 200 people that formed a private group about unionizing, but they have a long way to go to get the union into JPMorgan Chase. Well-known CEO Jamie Dimon is defending his 5-day work week in the office, saying that when you work from home, it is hurtful to younger generations, and that virtual meetings are really nothing more than a bunch of distracted colleagues. He has said before that before the return to office change on Fridays, he couldn't get a hold of anybody by phone. It seems people these days feel like they deserve the freedom to choose when and for how long they're in the office. And I don't know where some of these people in their group get that information, but I'm sure many of them have never run a business. I know myself, I can't count the number of times I needed to go to one of my employees in the office to speak about something right then and there, and many times need to actually see what they had. I'm Chase Wilsey with Wilsey Asset Management. If you like these videos, be sure to give it a like or comment, and feel free to check out our other YouTube videos and weekly newsletter for latest economic news, expert analysis, and market insights.